In this video, I will show you how to fix X login error. So if you're facing such error, first of all make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, what you can do is simply click and hold on to the X icon, then click on more features, then go to app info. From here click on force stop, then confirm it, then go to storage uses. Here you will see clear data and clear cache. Make sure you click on clear cache. After that, simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for X. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already fully up to date, then what you can do is simply check if there is any VPN or any network proxies turned on. If there is, then simply turn those off as well. After that, you can simply try logging in again, and if it's still not working, then what you can do is open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for X. From here, try to log in from the web version, and that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.